How would you describe ERA in 3 words?
Oh gosh. Wait. I have to think about this. Very good opportunity, see?
Wow, okay, I like that.
So my name is Lien and I am in the MBBS 5 course, and my ethnicity, I'm Filipino. Okay, so my normal day will usually start around 10, and then I'd wait for one of the people who's actually going to be in charge of me. So it depends, because last week I was under the care of a PhD student, then this week I was under the care of both a postdoc and now a senior lecturer. So it really depends on who. And then they'll take me to the lab, and it depends on their experiment. So last week I was with the PhD student, so she gave me my own experiments to do and undertake. But with the postdoc and with the senior lecturer that I'm under, I'd be helping them out. For example, I'd give them their pipettes. I'd use the pipette boy. I'm very happy with the pipette boy.
It's really fun, isn't it?
It's really fun. I just love the name pipette boy. Yeah, and also I'd be helping them with their experiment. Essentially, I'm a lab assistant, but with that, you actually learn the most, and that's what I'm really happy about. I think it's more the fact that it's a research placement, and it's more the fact that how often do you get experience in a research lab where actual science, the foundation of science happens, and I thought that was quite interesting. Oh, so I've been with many supervisors during my time. So I've been under the care of 3 professors, and it's around the whole theme of vascular sciences and vascular research, but different aspects of it, because every research there's always a massive theme, but then you go really in depth in a certain aspect of it. I've actually been enjoying the experience, because how often, as I said before, how often do you actually get to be in a lab, and 2, actually seeing how people work and how people actually get the results we do get. I've learned a lot, really. I've learned how to convert different measurements, and also I've learned about concentrations. I learned a lot of science. But I think the biggest thing that I think I'll take from this is actually how they do it and how you actually research, because in order for me to get good, valid results, I need to undertake this, I need to think about this, and how I'm going to, and all the steps I need to do to take that. Now I know how to undergo certain things with research, like I said before, like the steps, for example, how to not put bias, how to plan an experiment, that kind of thing. So I'm really, really grateful for that experience, because I'm not really privy to that kind of information yet, because I've been focusing mainly on the medical aspect of it. That is what I've learned the most, and I'm really, really happy that I've learned it. I honestly didn't know that you're not supposed to say it should be like this or this should happen. You have to be open-minded. The biggest thing that was an eye-opener was when I said, oh, this should be increasing. And I was quickly shushed and said, don't say should. You shouldn't be saying should. You're putting bias on the results. With the people that I've been around in the labs, I have noticed that there isn't a lot of different ethnicities. For example, in the people who I've been surrounded by, instead of including myself, there's only 2 of us who are not Caucasian. So I do think that there is some sort of discrepancy in that respect. I mean, out of the whole St. George's, I've only seen one Filipino researcher. Yeah, so if that doesn't really explain anything about any discrepancies, then I don't think anything else will. So the thing is that I'm really grateful for this experience because it's really put into my perspective how I can undertake my life journey in order to go back to the labs, be like a doctoral consultant as well as a researcher on the side. So I think now it's been put into my perspective that I can achieve those things in my position now. And I think if I didn't undertake the ERA, I wouldn't have known this. I was planning of advertising this to my organisation. I have an organisation that I'm part of on the side called Philly Fest, which is a national organisation that links all Filipino societies in the UK into one community. And from there we can tell each other things that we've experienced or activities, events. So I was thinking of promoting it there. I'm going to tell all my friends because it's such a good experience at the end of the day. And I know with St. George's, there's so many ethnic minorities present here that would not have known about this. So I think I would help, I would help actually spread the word.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to me today, Lien, and hope the rest of your placement goes well. And yeah, thank you.